The Pacific Ocean, a vast expanse of blue, home to a myriad of life and scattered with islands, each a unique pearl in a shimmering necklace. Join us as we explore the breathtaking landscapes of Hawaii, a land of fiery creation and serene beauty. Our first destination takes us to the island of Maui, home to Haleakalā National Park. Dominating the landscape is Haleakalā crater, a sleeping giant and the heart of this national park. Imagine standing at the crater's edge, gazing out over a sea of clouds as the sun rises, painting the volcanic rock in hues of gold and crimson. This is Haleakalā, the House of the Sun, a place where legend says the demigod Maui captured the sun to slow its journey across the sky. Within the park, you'll find a variety of landscapes, from the stark beauty of the crater to lush forests filled with rare and endangered species. Whether you seek adventure, solitude, or simply a moment of awe-inspiring beauty, Haleakalā National Park promises an unforgettable experience. Our journey now takes us to the island of Kauai, where the dramatic cliffs of the Pali Coast State Wilderness Park rise majestically from the Pacific Ocean. Imagine sheer emerald cliffs carved by centuries of wind and wave, plunging thousands of feet into the turquoise waters below. The Pali Coast, meaning the cliffs in Hawaiian, is a testament to nature's artistry. Explore this pristine wilderness by sea kayak, paddling along the coastline dwarfed by the towering cliffs above. Hike the challenging Kalalau Trail, which winds its way for 11 miles along the coast, offering unparalleled views of this natural wonder, or take to the skies on a helicopter tour, soaring above the cliffs and waterfalls, gaining a true appreciation for the scale and grandeur of this iconic landscape. Remaining on the island of Kauai, we venture inland to witness another of Hawaii's geological marvels, Waimea Canyon State Park. Often referred to as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, Waimea Canyon is a testament to the power of erosion, a vast chasm carved over millennia by the relentless flow of the Waimea River. Imagine standing at the canyon's edge, gazing down upon a tapestry of reds, oranges and browns as the sun casts long shadows across the canyon floor. Hike along the canyon rim, stopping at various lookout points to take in the panoramic views. For a truly unforgettable experience, visit Waimea Canyon at sunrise or sunset when the light casts a magical glow over the canyon walls, transforming them into a kaleidoscope of colors. Our next adventure takes us back to the island of Maui, where we embark on a scenic drive along the legendary Hana Highway. This is no ordinary road, it's a journey through some of the most lush and diverse landscapes Hawaii has to offer. The Hana Highway, also known as the Road to Hana, is not about the destination but the journey itself. It's a 64-mile stretch of narrow highway that hugs the coastline, winding its way through lush rainforests, past cascading waterfalls and across historic bridges. Stop at roadside fruit stands and sample exotic tropical fruits. The Hana Highway is a testament to the slow and scenic route, a reminder to pause, appreciate the beauty that surrounds us, and embrace the journey, not just the destination. Our final destination takes us to the island of Hawaii, also known as the Big Island, home to Volcanoes National Park, a place where the raw power of nature is on full display. Imagine standing on the edge of a caldera, the ground beneath your feet warm to the touch as you witness the fiery glow of molten lava illuminating the night sky. Volcanoes National Park is home to Kilauea and Mauna Loa, two of the world's most active volcanoes. Here you can witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of creation and destruction as molten lava flows across the landscape, reshaping the very earth before your eyes. Hike across lava fields, steam vents hissing beneath your feet, and marvel at the otherworldly landscape, volcanoes. National Park is a humbling reminder of the immense power that lies beneath the Earth's surface, a place where you can witness the forces that have shaped our planet for millennia. Thank you for joining us on this spectacular journey through Hawaii. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.